My name is Jürgen Karls. You might identify my accent. I'm from Germany, and I'm international consultant associated with the University for Peace in Costa Rica. And I'm giving courses on sustainable development, on strategic planning, project management, and others. And also, this is the reason why I'm here today. I'm giving a course based on my experiences in fundraising. So the objectives of the course: to identify potential funding sources and develop successful project proposals, to enable the participants to identify alternative funding sources and launch project proposals, and to develop a strategy and action plan to achieve financial sustainability of projects and institutions. So there are 6 sessions. The first session will start with an introduction about needs and demands to finance projects, options to mobilize funds, and I will talk in detail about traditional and alternative funding sources. The second session will start with bilateral funding agencies. Who are they? Their funding modalities. And I always will come up with some examples. And during the second session, I will also talk about multilateral donor agencies and funds. Again, who are the multilateral agencies? What are their specific requirements and funding modalities? During the third session, I will talk quite in detail about private foundations and philanthropic societies. Which are their areas they are interested in, which type of project will be financed, what are their specific requirements and modalities to get the funds. And again, I will come up with some practical examples. During the fourth sessions, I will talk about the project cycle, identification of a project, implementation, evaluation based on the logical framework approach. And having done this, we will have an exercise on the logical framework approach based on your ideas. You are looking for funds, for external funds for your project. During the fifth session, we will talk in detail how to write a successful project proposal. That means from a concept note to a full project proposal, again based on your example as a practical example. And during the sixth session, we will talk about funding strategies and action plan. Funding strategies for project funding, for institutional funding, a so-called endowment fund, and a strategy for individuals to want to do a PhD, want to carry out a study or establish an NGO. And finally, we will have a forum on results and lessons learned. Thank you very much.